Welcome to this installation video for the Peak sliding screen door. Let's take a look at the tools and safety equipment you will need to complete this installation. To begin your project, measure the height of your door screen opening. Trim vertical piece to the measured height minus 3.5 inches. On a large flat surface, arrange the frame pieces with the spline groove facing up. Connect the frame pieces with the corners and fasten together. Test that the frame fits the opening. Once satisfied, roll the screen over the frame, allowing for 2 inches of overlap on all sides. Use the provided spline roller to push the spline into the groove on all 4 sides. Once the screen is secure, use a utility knife to trim off the excess spline and screen. Insert the rubber gasket down the side of the vertical frame and trim the excess. Now install the door into the top and bottom grooves, install the door handles at your desired height, and attach with provided self-tapping screws. And there you have it. You have successfully built and installed your new Peak sliding screen door.